We're Jennifer and William Sixkiller, and we're building the Monterey 2 floor plan.
I would say the large options available.
Yes, I mean, there are so many options available. From start to finish, though, I think everyone that we worked with has just been so great, answering
Yes.
all of our questions, being really honest and upfront with us, and going out of their way to try and help us get what we want. So that's been great.
The quality and styles available.
Definitely. I think the floor plans that were available really worked well for
Yes.
our lifestyle, and just again, all of the options. I would say go for it.
Yeah, stop looking and just go to Shaw. Definitely.
Right,
Yeah.
because I was definitely frightened about the whole experience, but I think,
Yeah, once you're here, you get relaxed in no time, matter of minutes, and just ready to start picking and choosing your options and houses.
right, it's been a great experience, so I would say go for it.